Do you need to know how to operate your child safety locks on a Toyota Corolla? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2008 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the child safety locks on the rear doors. Now if your kid's like my toddler that sits in this chair here, she likes to open the door, so we have to activate the child locking system, which is actually done down here. So what I'm going to show you is if you just give a pull on the interior handle, you feel there's a bit of tension there, and then if you come back to the locking mechanism that's right here, just below there's this switch. If you flick that down, then go back to that handle, you'll notice that all of that tension's gone and now this handle no longer works. However, the one on the outside of the door actually still operates as normal. And then if you want to return it to normal and you're going to have some adults in the back, you can just go ahead and flick that switch back to the top there, and then your interior handle is now re-engaged and the exterior handle remains the same. So there you go, nice quick video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.